Starting with the baud rate setting, or bit rate setting as it's called in this tool here. This can be found under the manufacturer segment, where the object for changing the bit rate is placed. It's here, so I will open it, I will press on it, and I will now read out the current value or sub-index setting, which is 4. And looking up in the table, or finding the table in the operational guide, index 4 will tell you that this is 125, as we already know, of course. I would like to change this baud rate now to 250 kilobits per second, and the table tells me that I have to switch the sub-index to 3, which gives 250 kilobits per second. So this means I clear the field here, I write 0x03, and I press the write button. Write successful. Before the change takes place, I need to go and store the parameter and do a power cycle. So store all the parameters that can be found under the communication segment, which is right here. I will press it, save all the parameters, and then I have to type in the command for save, which is a hex value that I just pasted in here, and this can actually also be found in the operational guide. Then I have to press the write button, write successful. Before I can have communication to the sensor now, I of course need to change the bit rate of the communication I have to it right now. It's still running 125. So in the tool, I go and change it to 250, to the new setting. I connect to the sensor again. I go and check the bit rate now. And when I press the read button, this gives me sub-index 3 now, which, as you saw in the table, is clearly the 250 kilobits. So this is how you change the baud rate or bit rate to whatever you are running on your system.